Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions since sliced bread. Today, we're diving into the world of drones, comparing two budget-friendly options, the SYMA drone on the left and the DEERC drone D70 on the right. Buckle up, because this comparison is going to be as thrilling as a drone race through the Grand Canyon. Let's start with the most important factor for many of us: price. The SYMA drone comes in at $99, while the DEERC drone D70 is a more wallet-friendly $79. That's right, folks, you could save $20. That's enough to buy yourself, well, maybe a fancy coffee and a muffin, but hey, savings are savings. Now, let's talk cameras. Both drones boast a 1080p HD camera, so you can capture those epic aerial shots of your cat lazing in the backyard. But the SYMA drone promises stable and clearer views with its FPV real-time Wi-Fi transmission. It's like the Netflix of drone cameras. Buffering? What's that? On the other hand, the DEERC drone D70 also offers high-quality aerial photos and videos with Wi-Fi real-time transmission. So it's more like the Hulu of drone cameras. Great quality, but occasionally needs a little patience. According to reviews, the SYMA drone's camera quality is highly praised for its clarity, while the DEERC drone's camera quality is considered decent, especially for its price point. Both drones are beginner-friendly, but who does it better? The SYMA drone has headless mode, altitude mode, and one key to take off, land. It's basically the drone equivalent of a self-driving car. Just sit back and enjoy the flight. The DEERC drone D70, however, takes it a step further with features like one-key takeoff, landing, altitude hold, emergency stop, and headless mode. Plus, it throws in some fun extras, like 360 degrees flips and high-speed rotation. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. It does everything but your taxes. Reviewers love the SYMA drone for its ease of use and strong obstacle avoidance, while the DEERC drone is praised for its additional fun features and overall user-friendliness. Both drones can be controlled via an app. The SYMA drone's app lets you draw a flight path for the drone to follow. It's like giving your drone its own GPS. Turn left at the giant oak tree. The DEERC drone D70, however, lets you control it with your voice, gestures, and even throw it to start flying. It's like having a drone that listens to your every command. Fly, my minion, fly! According to reviews, the SYMA drone's app control is appreciated for its simplicity, while the DEERC drone's multiple control options are a big hit among users. In terms of portability, the DEERC drone D70 wins hands down. It folds up to the size of your palm and can even fit in your pocket. It's the James Bond of drones, sleek, compact, and ready for action. The SYMA drone, while not as compact, comes with 4 propeller guards and 2 powerful batteries that support up to 40 minutes of fly time. It's like the marathon runner of drones, built to go the distance. Reviewers highlight the SYMA drone's durability and extended fly time, whereas the DEERC drone is praised for its compact design and portability. Last but not least, customer support. The DEERC drone D70 offers 24/7 full-time after-sales service and a 1-year free replacement. They've sold over 1.5 million units globally, so they know a thing or two about keeping customers happy. The SYMA drone, meanwhile, doesn't mention any specific customer support perks. So if you're the type who likes to have a safety net, the DEERC drone D70 might just be your new best friend. Reviews for the DEERC drone highlight the excellent customer support, while the SYMA drone's customer support remains unremarked upon. Based on Amazon reviews, both drones have their strengths and weaknesses. The SYMA drone is highly recommended for its camera quality, ease of use, and durability, making it a great option for beginners and kids. The DEERC Drone D70, while slightly cheaper, offers a range of fun features, excellent customer support, and a compact design, making it a versatile choice for both beginners and experienced users. So there you have it, folks. The SYMA drone and the DEERC Drone D70. Two fantastic options for anyone looking to take to the skies without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for longer fly time or a drone that fits in your pocket, we hope this comparison helps you make the smart choice. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Also, check out the product links in the description. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart.